The Logitech Wave Keys is a wireless ergonomic keyboard that brings comfort and functionality to your desk without going overboard on features or price. With its wave-like shape and soft curves, it's designed to support a more natural hand and wrist position while typing, and in practice, it mostly succeeds. The keyboard feels solid thanks to its sturdy matte plastic construction and well-built membrane switches, which offer a satisfying, quiet keystroke that's far from the harsh clickiness of mechanical alternatives. It doesn't try to reinvent the wheel, but instead offers an ergonomic typing experience that still feels familiar. What sets the Wave Keys apart is its versatility. It supports both Bluetooth and Logi Bolt wireless connections and can connect to up to 3 devices simultaneously. Switching between them is as simple as pressing one of the easy switch buttons at the top. Whether you're working on a desktop, laptop, or tablet, this keyboard adapts seamlessly, making it a practical choice for multitaskers. Battery life is another win here. It runs on 2 AAA batteries that Logitech claims can last up to 3 years. And since there are no power-hungry features like backlighting, that claim seems plausible. During testing, the battery indicator in the Logi Options Plus software didn't budge. While some may miss the backlight, it's a trade-off that benefits longevity. However, it's not without downsides. The compact layout might feel cramped for some users, especially if you're used to a more spacious keyboard. The tight spacing between keys may take a little time to get used to, and if you have larger hands, it could be frustrating. But if the ergonomics suit your style, this keyboard offers great value and a comfortable typing experience that's easy to live with.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.